In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a screen with participant during a Microsoft Teams meeting. So if you want to make a presentation by sharing a screen during a meeting, it's pretty simple. Just go to your meeting. You can see I'm here on my meeting, and to share another screen, just head to share here. If you click on this, now you can see we have quite a number of screens that are available that I can share. If you are making a presentation and this presentation maybe is in form of a page, you should see window here. I have several pages that I can share. However, if I want to share a screen that I have extended because I'm using two screens, you can now choose the next screen from here. So for this case, I want just to share a presentation on another page. So I'll go ahead and just click on window here, and this will open all the pages on my computer. And from this, I can now choose one that I wish to share with my participant. For instance, if I just want to share this Google Chrome page, I'll just click on it, and by clicking on it, I'll be taken to this page for sharing. And you can see now I'm sharing this page. So if we want to stop sharing, you can just exit by clicking on this stop sharing or stop sharing here. By clicking on that, I'll be taken back to my original screen. So that's how you can share screen with participants in Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.